Hello guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Ultimate Love Chris Ville cries after his partner Chris played him April Fool. Ultimate Love reality TV star Chris Ville and his ultimate girl Chris have got themselves into an early April Fool moment. Chris Ville, born Obaoye Olajide, took to his Instagram page and stated that his babe Chris Adana used him as the first player for our April Fool's Day. My diced pineapple and mother to my pineapple children, it's April Fool's Day and she was the first to fool me this morning, he wrote. Without much concern, he goes ahead to shower some praises and love to her, saying he feels the whole zoo when he's with her. Forget the butterflies, I feel the whole zoo when I'm with you. My forever WCW. My Ada Papaya. My Khaleesi. Meanwhile, Chrisville equally complained to his unborn children about their mom's early April surprise. My pineapple children, I'll deal with your mother at Chris Adana official. Okay guys, it's happy to see that Chrisville and Chris are still in this romantic relationship, and we're happy that they're taking it to the next level. What do you think, guys? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.